Hi everyone, this is John from HValley Tools. Welcome back. Today we're in the showroom shop and we set up this display, and this is on display in the showroom for you to see and experience of sharpening solutions that are available to you. And people get overwhelmed, please don't. It really comes down to what are you sharpening and how much versatility you want. So if you're doing chisels or plate irons, the solutions are very easy. You've got glass plate systems, easy sneezies, tempered glass, peel and stick abrasives, a little bit of soap and water. You use a standard honing gauge and off you go. We have our corundum stones. These are awesome. They're water stones. We've got our sled that is fabulous, and a little more time and a little more experience, but the results are incredible. And of course, slow speed grinders. There are special grinders for sharpening. They're white wheels. They are low heat, so we're not going to take off a lot of material quickly, and we cannot heat up our steel. Once you heat the steel, you're ruined. The other cool thing is that with the low speed grinder is there's jigs and accessories you can do for other things. Penn State Industries sells a really cool jig for turning gouges and chisels, and it's excellent. The other thing that's on the horizon now are CBN wheels. So we looked at CBN wheels for a while, and the problem was quality. We need thickness of the diamond and the balancing of the wheel. So I decided Rikon, and these are superb. When you look at the wheel, you realize, wow, this is quality. Super balanced. You don't have to play around with balancing. The thickness of the medium is there, and they have quite a few grits. We just have basically a light coarse and a very high grit. Benefit of these, super fast. I mean, they are super fast. The other aspect of that is they don't heat up your steel. And then of course we have the whetstones. So the whetstone's like the ultimate. Now, you can do an 8-inch whetstone or a 10-inch whetstone. What's the difference? This is 8 inches, this is 10 inch. And the whole point of that is that you're really sharpening with water. It's cold, it's not fast, it's quicker, but it's not fast, but your results are scalpel sharp. The other cool thing is that there's a ton of accessories you can get for this, for knives and plates and this and that, and it's a total solution. This is called the F-bar, and the nice thing is the Triton F-bar and the Rikon F-bar, they're the same. So all the jigs and accessories are interchangeable. These are the ultimate solutions if you're doing gouges, things like roughing gouges, or you're reprofiling into an Irish grind like mine. Really gotta have. It's a gotta have thing. The cool part of this whole thing is a sharp tool is a safe tool. The dull tools, we really get into trouble. And I call to mind this fun story about Abraham Lincoln. Guy attempted to trap him and said, look, if you had 6 hours to chop down a tree, Mr. Lincoln, what would you do? And he said, I spend 4 hours sharpening my axe. Right, exactly. Sharp tools are safe tools. So now's the time to do your sharpening, because once we get into the season, you want to get your projects done. You don't want to be sitting there sharpening when you want to get things done for the holidays, or you're making gifts or some cool things, bazaars, anything like that. And once again, all of these items are on display in our showroom and in stock. And we also have a staff here that's very willing to discuss the options and help you decide what's best for you. And if you're in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, please stop by. It's a great place to visit. It's a cool experience, and it's a lot of fun. And we hope this was helpful for you, and you have a great day.